Hello there, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out From You Flowers, which has a great selection of roses, lilies, Mother's Day flowers, plants, orchids, all kinds of stuff. So check those out, but today we're going to focus specifically on a highly rated and potentially great Mother's Day gift, 1 dozen long stem red roses with a free vase included. This bundle has about 900 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. From You Flowers has over 3 decades of experience in the online floral and gifting industry. So there's hundreds of different gifts to choose from when you need to find a beautiful gift to send to a loved one. But let's get back to the roses. When they arrive, mix the flower food with warm water. Cut the stems diagonally and arrange the flowers. Don't put them in direct sunlight. They will bloom in the course of 2 to 4 days. And don't forget to water them with fresh water daily. Also, you can recut the stems every other day to help them absorb water better. Now let me share with you a quick question and answer that may be helpful. One person asks, why can't you add a gift message even when it says you can? And somebody else answered, you should be able to add a card message. There will be a spot after you put the zip code in, and then the card will come up. Okay, well there you go. And don't forget that From You has all kinds of flowers, arrangements, gifts, colors, sizes, etc. So check those out. But if you want to go with the classic 1 dozen long stem red roses, this is the listing for you. It's a great Mother's Day present, free vase included. So order today. I think you're going to love it.